Have you ever got into a situation where you have left your old music files somewhere safe and now you don't remember it? Or have you ever had a shock of losing all of your collected music files just because you lost your iPod or your hard drive? Well, I had one of those moments once last week. Yes, that's when I started asking questions to myself. Why can't I have a cloud service to store all of my music files and just stream it or download it anywhere, wherever I want? So I looked around on the internet and I found many cloud services available like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. I uploaded my music on them and tried streaming, or you can say downloading them on my phone on the go. But it seems like these cloud services are focused on file management. They don't have good music player features, or for the matter of fact, streaming features. Then I asked myself, what if there is an app which will let me connect to my favorite cloud services and download only my music files? So I started looking online again, and I found many iOS and Android apps which does that. But they all are lacking one thing: simplicity. Yes, most of them, or I should say all of them, had several annoying ads, very poor, clunky and sluggish user interface, inconsistency in styles, etc. etc. So there are many bad examples and very few or none good apps doing what's needed. Then I thought, what if I can create an app for every platform which will enable me to download my music files from my favorite cloud services and play it online or offline with a unique, simple and to the point user interface with strictly no ads at all? Well, that's how mebonk got wings. I started asking questions to my friends and family. They all said that a music player should not be complicated at all. It should be the easiest app to use and have minimum design overhead. Now, this is how mebonk looked like. I encourage you to please pledge me so that I can finish the app and publish it to iTunes and Google Store. Wait, I haven't told you about my future plans. Yes, once we reach 1 million downloads for this app, we will go to the next level where we will create a streaming service for music, just like Spotify or Apple Music. But this one will be free for end users. Ooh, now you must be thinking, how on this earth I can do that? Well, subscribe to our newsletter and you will get to know by the end of the year.